Take a ride in 2021 A8. Its supremacy is unchallenged. It is the manifestation of power coupled with luxury that makes the A8 priceless. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, air suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.